Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to enable Earthquake Alert in Android Google. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To enable Earthquake Alerts on your Android device, using a built-in feature on your settings, you can't follow these steps. So firstly, open your settings up on your Android phone. Then go ahead and find the Safety on Emergency, tap on it, then choose Earthquake Alerts. Now, you just have to toggle this on to enable Earthquake Alert. Once Earthquake Alerts are enabled on your Android device, you'll receive notifications from Google in event of earthquakes in your area. These alerts can provide valuable information and help you stay informed about potential seismic activity near your location. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.